Everybody, as we begin the day, we'll start with positive affirmations. Boys, you all know what are affirmations? They are powerful words we say to ourselves to feel happy, confident, and strong. So let's repeat these affirmations. I am peaceful and calm. I have a peaceful heart. I am confident and brave. I am important and special. So with this, everyone, mouth closed, hands folded, and eyes on the speaker, please. Alright, keep your mouths closed. Class 3C is going to lead you into the morning assembly.
Good morning, respected Brother Robert, Mrs. Caution, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, the students of Class 3C are presenting the morning assembly on the topic Love and Compassion. Love teaches us to care, share, and forgive. Compassion helps us understand others and support them when they are sad or in need. This theme is very special because it reminds us about the life of the founder of our Christian brothers, Blessed Edmund Rice, who taught the world to serve God by serving others with love. Let us start our assembly with a prayer. Let us close our eyes, join our hands, and pray. Do not repeat after me. Dear Lord, thank you for this beautiful morning. Fill our hearts with love, kindness, and compassion. Help us to care for the poor, the weak, and the lowly. Teach us to share what we have and to forgive others, just like Blessed Edmund Rice. Help us to serve others with a happy heart. Bless our home, school, teachers, our parents, and our friends. Guide us to be good children every day. Amen. Thank you, Ken. Now let us sing a hymn that reminds us to spread peace and love. remember that we can be channels of love and peace in our school, just like Blessed Edmund Rice wanted us to be. It is time for the thought of the day. Good morning, everyone. Today's thought is compassion is not just feeling sorry for someone, it is helping them with love. Boys, I will repeat compassion is not just feeling sorry for someone, it is helping them with love. Blessed Edmund Rice taught us to love and serve everyone. Thank you and have a kind day. That was a beautiful thought. Let us follow it every day. Now we will present a poem on love and compassion. Follow Edmund Rice. Love is caring. Love is kind. It lives inside our heart and mind. Compassion means we help and share and show the world that we all care. Blessed Edmund Rice showed the way to do good deeds each and every day. He taught us all to love and give and help each other smile and live. So let us promise, big and small, to spread love and care to one and all. Thank you boys for that wonderful poem. Coming up next is a skit, the Edmund Rice Way. Scene 1, Classroom. Josh is a new student. He feels shy and lonely. Today, something sad happened. Oh no! My lunchbox fell down. My food is spoiled. What will I eat now? Ha ha ha! Josh's lunch is on the ground. What a miss! So funny! Scene 2. Ronnie teaches kindness. Stop it! Why are you laughing? Because it's funny. No, Aman, this is not funny. George is sad. We should help him. George, are you okay? Yes, but I don't have lunch. You can share my lunch with me. Scene 3. Feeling sorry. Ronnie, you are right. We were wrong. Sorry, Josh. I should not have laughed at you. It's okay. Thank you for saying sorry. Ron, Josh, you can share my lunch too. Thank you. Now I feel happy. Good morning, boys. What is happening here? John's lunch fell, so we are sharing our lunch with him. That is wonderful. This is called compassion. Children, do you know who taught us this value? Sir, Blessed Edmund Rice? Yes, Blessed Edmund Rice, the founder of Christian Brothers, believed that love and compassion can change the world. He helped poor children and gave them education, love and hope. So remember, when you help someone, you are following the path of Blessed Edmund Wright. Sir, I will never bully anyone again. I will always help others. And I will also help someone when they need me. Boys, repeat after me. We promise to share. Promise to share. We promise to kind. Promise to be kind. We promise to help. We promise to help. And show love everywhere. And show love everywhere. And that day, Josh found friends. And everyone learned the true meaning of love and compassion. This trip reminds us that small acts of kindness can make a big difference. Now let us follow the values shown by Blessed Edmund Rice to love, serve and help everyone. A smile, a helping hand or a kind word can brighten someone's day. The message is clear. Be kind, be compassionate and follow Edmund Rice. Now let us do a dance exercise. Are you ready?
You put your right hand in, you put your right hand out, you put your right hand in and shake it all about. Let's do the boogie boogie, let's do the boogie boogie and turn yourself about. You put your left hand in, you put your left hand out, you put your left hand in and shake it all about. Let's do the boogie boogie, let's do the boogie boogie and turn yourself about. You put your right foot in, you put your right foot out, you put your right foot in and shake it all about. Let's do the boogie boogie, let's do the boogie boogie and turn yourself about. You put your left foot in, you put your left foot out, you put your left foot in and shake it all about. Let's do the boogie boogie, let's do the boogie boogie and turn yourself about. Do the boogie boogie, do the boogie boogie, do the boogie boogie and turn yourself about.
Thank you, Brother Robert, Mrs. Kaushal, teachers, and my dear friends for listening patiently. Have a wonderful day filled with love and compassion. Now I invite Brother Robert to please come forward and say a few words.
Good morning, teachers, and good morning, boys. Again, we'll try that. Good morning, boys. Wonderful. So thank you, Class 3C, for that wonderful assembly on Edmund Rice and on the theme of love and compassion. These words of love and compassion sometimes these words are very difficult to understand. Love and compassion is very difficult to understand, but they have told us nicely what we need to do. It is written over there. Be kind, share and help. These are three things that all of us can do. To be kind, to share with one another and to help one another. Let us all in school follow what Edmund Rice is telling us so that we are all good people and we then live in a good world. Alright, so let's hope that everybody in junior school can do that. So thank you once again, class 3C, and all the best to all of you for your day. Thank you.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you, brother. Give away these young participants of ours who participated in an inter-school competition, Twirl and Swirl, in St. Cecilia's Public School. We have Nayab Khan from 3A, Pratyush Pal also from 3A, Arnav Shukla 3A, Kanishka 3C, Yuvam Shresh 3C, Manvit Sangwan 3D, Al Kabir 3D, and Rihansh Gupta 3E. Yes, let's give a huge round of applause to all these boys. Yeah, they danced very nicely. Thank you, brother. Thank you.
Thank you, brother. Mrs. Kaushal, please could you come forward and say a few words?
Yeah, good morning, boys. Please do not sing and say properly good morning, ma'am. Once again, class 1 do not sing. Good morning, boys. We have to make sure the class 1 doesn't sing next time, okay? So, it was a beautiful assembly. Can we have a round of applause for class 3C? Come on, boys. Thank you. And I hope you understand the meaning of compassion now. Especially I'm asking class 3 boys, what is the meaning of compassion? Be kind. Okay? You can just not say I love a person, but you have to be kind to that person. Why I'm asking class 3 especially is because you've been hitting each other and that is not kindness. Is that kindness? Lot of complaints are coming from class 3 only. Boys, please do not hit each other. Be kind to each other, okay? You feel somebody has done something, go to your teacher rather than hitting back. Have you understood, boys? Yes? So let's hope we walked in the path shown by Blessed Edmund Bryce. Thank you. And thank you, Vanda ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Any child celebrating his birthday today? Any birthday boys? Please come. Quickly. Let's get your name. Say your complete name. My name is.
Jonathan Jones.
His name is Jonathan Jones. Let us all sing for him. Happy birthday to you. Wait. One more boy. All right. Let's sing for both of them. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Thank you, friends. Thank you, friends.
All right, boys. Now with one we beat. Kamla ma'am is going to tell you to stand up. You will not move. Stand straight like soldiers. We are going to sing the national anthem.
Boys,
So everyone
ma'am said after drum beat. Please sit down also.
after ma'am
Please
gives
sit
a
down.
drum beat.
Sit down.
Follow instructions, boys.
Sit down, one class 1.
Please sit. When ma'am gives one beat of the drum, then you will get up. At one beat and stand straight like soldiers.
Boys, stand. Straight. Feet together, hands by your side. Hands by your side. And no movement. Shh. Class 1.
Hands by your side.
Stand at ease.